Hi everyone, this is your pre-service teacher for today. I am Frederica Morcianes Arbiol, a 4th year Bachelor of Elementary Education student of bytes. Are you ready for a new topic for today? But before that, we will have an activity. I will show you 8 jumbled words. What you need to do is to arrange those jumbled words for us to have an idea on what will be our topic for today. Are you ready? Alright, let's start. So now let's start arranging these jumbled words. The first word is, what is this? Who has the idea? Alright, this is representation of data. Very good. How about this one? Yes? Very good. This is number system. The third jumbled word is this one. Alright, this is? Yes, very good. This is binary. How about this fourth jumbled word? Alright, this is octal. Very good. The next word is this one. What is this? Alright, this is decimal. Very good. How about this one? What is this? Again? Yes, very good. This is hexadecimal. How about these words? Yes? Alright, this is bits and bytes. Very good. The last jumbled words is this one. Okay, what is this? Very good. This is text code. So the words that we have arranged are representation of data, number system, binary, octal, decimal, hexadecimal, bits and bytes, and text code. So please remember these words because we will encounter all of this as we go along with our discussion. For us to have more idea on what will be our new topic for today, we will have another activity. I have here a box. This box contains all of the words that we have unlocked in our first activity. What we need to do is I will pick one paper at a time. And after, I will call someone to let him or her share his prior knowledge about the words I have chosen here. Are you ready? Alright, let's start. So the first word that I have chosen is representation of data. Who has the idea? Okay, you said that it is a form in which data is stored. Thank you. The next word will be text code. Alright, so your classmate said that text code allows you to enter text that you want people to see when they scan the code. So the next word will be decimal. Who has the idea? So she said that decimal is a base of 10 number system from 0 to 9. Thank you for that. The next word will be, it is hexadecimal. Who has the idea? Your classmate said that hexadecimal is a number system that is based off 16 from 0 to 15. So the next word will be binary. Who has the idea? So he said that binary is a number expressed in the base of 2 numeral system. So the next word will be number system. Who has the idea? Okay, so he said that number system defines set of values to represent quantity. Very good. So the last word is octal. Who has the idea? So your classmate said that octal is a number system that is based of 8 from 0 to 7. Thank you for your cooperation in our activity, students. This time, we will now start our new topic. So our new topic for today is all about the representation of data in a computer system. Students, please read with me. So computer does not understand human language. Any data, viz or namely letters, symbols, pictures, audios, videos, or etc. fed to computer should be converted into a machine language first. Machine language is the only language that a computer is capable of understanding. It is the collection of binary digits or bits that the computer reads and interprets. We will understand what is binary digits and bits as we go along with our discussion. Computer represent data in the following three forms: the number system, the bits and bytes, and the text code. We will first discuss what is number system. So we are introduced to concept of numbers from a very early age. To a computer, everything is a number. For example, alphabets, pictures, sounds, etc. are numbers. As what I have said earlier, all of the data that we will input in a computer will be converted into a machine language that is consist of numbers for the computer to understand all of our data. So the number system is categorized into four types. These are the binary number system, octal number system, decimal number system, and hexadecimal number system. So binary number system consists of only two values, either 0 or 1. Octal number system represent values in 8 digits, decimal number system represent values in 10 digits, and hexadecimal number system represents values in 16 digits. So here is the tabular column of the number system, which is consist of base and digits. So the binary number system has the base of 2 with the digits of 0 and 1, while octal has a base of 8 from digits of 0 to 7. Decimal is a base of 10 from 0 to 9, and hexadecimal is a base of 16 from 0 to 8, and letters A to F. We will not discuss more about these four types of number system and its conversion because this will be discussed by your next pre-service teacher's next meeting. So we will now move on to the next forms of representation of data in a computer system, which is the bits and bytes. So a bit is the smallest possible unit of data that a computer can recognize or use. Computer usually uses bits in groups, while bytes, a group of 8 bits, is called a byte. Half a byte is called a nibble. So I have here an example, 01010110. So one number is equals to 1 bit. So these 8 numbers is equals to 1 byte. So I will show you the conversion table from bits to bytes and vice versa. So 1 byte is equals to 8 bits. 1024 bytes is equals to 1 kilobyte. 1024 kilobytes are equals to 1 megabyte. 1024 megabytes is equals to 1 gigabyte. 1024 gigabytes is equals to 1 terabyte. 1024 terabytes is equals to 1 petabyte. 1024 petabytes is equals to 1 exabyte. 1024 exabytes is equals to 1 zettabyte. 1024 zettabytes is equals to 1 yottabyte. 1024 yottabytes is equals to 1 brontobyte. And 1024 brontobytes is equals to 1 geobytes. So we will now move on to the next form of representation of data in a computer system, which is the text code. So text code is a format used commonly to represent alphabets, punctuation marks, and other symbols. So it has 4 most popular text code systems. So these are the only acronyms of those. So EBCDIC, ASCII, Extended ASCII, and the Unicode. So we will first discuss the EBCDIC, or the Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange Code. It is an 8-bit code that defines 256 symbols. So I will show you the EBCDIC tabular column with its special characters and alphabetical characters. So the less than special character has the code of 01001011, the open parenthesis 01001100, the plus symbol 01001101, the slash punctuation mark 01001110. So the ampersand or the and symbol has the code of 010140, The colon, punctuation mark, and the number sign has the same code of 01111 and the @ symbol has the code of 0111100. The apostrophe has the code of 0111101. The equal sign 0111110. The quotation mark 0 and the rest is 1. The comma is 011011011. Sign has the code of 011011100. The hyphen 011011101. The greater than symbol is 011011110. So we can see in the right side of the table is the alphabetic special characters with its codes. This time we will now move on to the next popular text code system, which is the ASCII, or the American Standard Code for Information Interchange. That is an 8-bit code that specifies characters values from 0 to 127. So we have here the tabular column for the ASCII. The first character is the null prom, means no value, so the decimal value and the code is 0. Second is the start of heading, decimal value 1, and the code is 40001. Start of text, decimal value 2, the ASCII code is 400010. The end of text, decimal value is 3, and the code is 040 and 0011. Next character is the end of transmit, means a communication control character used to indicate the conclusion of that transmission, with a decimal value of 4 and code is 400100. Next character is the inquiry, which means a control character that is transmitted to request a response from a receiving station with a decimal value of 5 and code of 400101. Acknowledge character is a type of unique signal that a computer sends to show that the data has been transmitted successfully with a decimal value of 6 and code of 400110. Next, an audible bell character, which means a control code or an alert used to sound an audible bell or a tone in order to alert the user, with a decimal value of 7 and the character is 400111. Next is the backspace, which means a control code which would delete the preceding character with a decimal value of 8 and the code is 401000. The next character is the horizontal tab with a decimal value of 401001. The last character is an ASCII character or button on the printer that instructs the printer to move down in one line and has the decimal value of 10 and the code is 401010. The third popular text code system is the extended ASCII, or the Extended American Standard Code for Information Interchange, an 8-bit code that specifies character values from 128 to 255. This is the tabular column for the extended ASCII characters with 128 to 255 characters and codes. This is the description of the extended ASCII characters, letters, symbols, and signs. We'll just read some of it. For example, ASCII code 132, letter A with umlaut or the IRSS A umlaut. ASCII code 137, letter E with umlaut or the IRSS E umlauts. ASCII code 145, Latin diphthong A, E in lowercase. ASCII code 154, letter U with umlaut or the IRSS or U umlaut. The ASCII code of 159, function sign F with hook sign or florin sign. ASCII code 168, inverted question marks. ASCII code 176, graphic character low density dotted. ASCII code 184, copyright symbol. In this slide, we can see the ASCII code 187, box drawing character double line upper right corner. ASCII code 192, box drawing character single line lower left corner. ASCII code 200, box drawing character double line lower left corner. ASCII code 207, generic currency sign. In this slide, we can see the ASCII code 211, letter E with umlaut or the IRSS E umlaut. ASCII code 220, bottom half black. ASCII code 227, capital letter O with brave accent. And ASCII code 232, capital letter thorn. Last slide of the ASAI description character, we can see the ASAI code 235, capital letter U with grave accent, ASAI code 242, underline or underscore, ASAI code 248, the degree symbol, and the ASAI code 255, non-breaking space or no break space. This time, we will now move on to the last popular text code system, which is the Unicode. Unicode Worldwide Character Standard uses 4 to 32 bits to represent letters, numbers, and symbol. So this is the tabular column of the Unicode text code system. We can see here in the tabular column is the characters, the UTF or the Unicode transformation 16 and UTF-8. So the first character is the uppercase A with a UTF-16 of 0041 and UTF-8 of 41. The lowercase c with a UTF-16 of 0063 and UTF-863. The lowercase o with umlaut UTF-16 00F6 with a UTF-8C386. An Asian character with a UTF-16 of 4E9C and UTF-8E4BA9C. A triple clef with a UTF-16 of D834DD1E and UTF-8 F09D849E. So those are the three forms of representation of data in a computer system and its type. Those are important so that we can understand the operation of all computer units and understand the computer system will behave in similar ways because it has an agreed set of codes for all the characters in the computer. Your knowledge in the forms of representing data in a computer system will enable you to understand the operation of all computer units. So we are now done discussing our new topic for today entitled Representation of Data in a Computer System. So let us now try answering this following question. Number 1. What are the three forms to represent data in a computer system? Who can answer? Okay, so the three forms are number system, bits and bytes, and text code. Number 2 question. Give the 4 types of number system and 4 popular text code system. Who can answer? Okay. So the 4 types of number system are octal, binary, decimal, and hexadecimal number system. How about the 4 popular text code system? Who can answer? So the 4 most popular text code systems are the EBCDIC, ASCII, Extended ASAI, and the Unicode. Number 3 question. Why do computer system needs representation of data? Who can answer? So computer system needs representation of data because it does not understand human language. It only understands machine language, which is consist of numbers. So the 4th question is, how does data represented in a computer system? Who can answer? So the data represented in a computer system by converting it into numbers by the use of number system, bits and bytes, and text code system. The 5th question is, what is the importance of data representation in a computer system? Who has the idea? So the importance of data representation in a computer system is for it to run smoothly and so that our data will be converted correctly for the computer to understand the information. So thank you for your answers. This time we will have another activity. In this activity, you need to find a pair. You can communicate with your chosen partner through messenger chat. What you need to do is to brainstorm your understanding on the topic we discussed. Each of you should contribute ideas and write or encode it for your reference in the reporting later. You will be given 3 minutes to do your task and the reporting will follow. Do you understand? Okay, let's start. Thank you for your cooperation in this activity, students. To test if you really understand our discussion, please see the presentation. I have here your assessment for today. Assessment 1 instruction. Write T if the statement is true and F if it is false. Underline the words that make it wrong and then write the correct answer after. This will be 1 point each number. Students, please take screenshot on the 3 assessment I will show you here because you will answer it and pass it on your Google Classroom. The deadline will be 5 p.m. this afternoon. Are you done taking screenshots? So let us now proceed to assessment 2 and 3. In your assessment 2, you are tasked to create a graphic organizer that represents the three forms of representation of data in a computer system and its types. Show your creativity in designing your graphic organizer because this will be 15 points. In your assessment 3, in paragraph form, give your understanding on why representation of data in a computer system is important. Your answer should be in a maximum of 8 to 10 sentences. This will be 15 points all in all. Students, please take note that your answers in this assessment will be passed in your Google Classroom for this subject. The due will be 5 p.m. this afternoon. Let us now move on for your assignment. Again, please take screenshot in the slide. Research and study in advance the 6 stages of data processing cycle from Peer XP team. The link is provided in the presentation. And please answer the guide question number 1, what is data processing? Number 2, what are the 6 stages of the data processing cycle? Number 3, in your own understanding, differentiate data processing and data processing cycle. Please prepare your assignment in our next meeting. Thank you for today, students. I hope you learned something from the topic we discussed. Keep on learning, stay safe, and God bless.